It's Thursday, December 26, 2024. It's 9:16 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. Watching CTM, second highest gainer, up 140%. Suddenly moving. No news at all. I'm not sure why this is heading upwards. But it is moving nonetheless. High of day is $1.45 on this last candle. Pretty much right there at the moment. Just made a new high of day. I'll keep my eye on things and I'll return. I have an order in and I am in the trade of CTM. Just 100 shares. My entry price is $1.56. Profit and loss is down here. See if I can get sneak a little piece of this if it will continue upwards. Struggling at the moment, of course. Just need a little push. Not being greedy, I just want to make a little green trade today. It's been a strange day in the market. Let this breathe just a few more seconds. Probably shouldn't have done that. There we go. And I am out. Let's go see what we did here. All right, got a little scalp on that, $7.95. That's 2.6% gain on that trade. I was in this thing about a minute and a half, in at $1.56, out at $1.64 with 100 shares. So I'll take it. It all adds up at the end of the month. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.